Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter determinant phase 5 exercise 1 from our package. And these are still the initial questions, so I am showing to you in detail how things are done. So a matrix is given to us and we have to find the adjoint of the matrix. So adjoint of the matrix, how do we find the adjoint? So basically what is adjoint of A in this case? Adjoint of A will be, first we find cofactor matrix, cofactor of A. So we find this matrix and then this matrix ka we'll take the transpose. That is basically the meaning of adjoint. So because it's a small matrix, let's do it one by one. So cofactor of this will be, for 3 it is 4, for 1 it is -5, but because it is at the odd place, so it will be 5. For -5 it is again -1, because this is 2, 1. And for 4, it is 3. So this is the cofactor matrix. Then adjoint of A is transpose of this. So 4, 5, -1, 3. Okay. So this is done step by step. But going forward, we are not going to do all this for a 2 by 2 matrix. If you just observe what has happened in 2 by 2, the diagonal elements, they got switched, and the other two, they just were multiplied with -1. So going forward, any 2 by 2 matrix, we're just going to follow this. Once we understand what happened, and then we can pretty much use it in our next example. Okay, thank you.